Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Wonderways. Myself Dr. Saumya, a doctor of naturopathy and yogic sciences. In this video, I'll be presenting to you on the basic information regarding cough, especially the wet cough, and a simple remedy to cure it. Let us now look at the ingredients required. First, crushed black pepper 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, dry basil leaves 1 teaspoon, or if you can find fresh basil leaves, 5 to 10 in numbers, crushed ginger 1 tablespoon, and jaggery. I've taken a piece weighing about 100 grams. To begin with, we're going to boil 2 cups of drinking water in a heating pan. As the water starts boiling, add all the ingredients one by one. Keep the flame in medium and let it keep boiling till the decoction reduces to half in volume. I mean to say that as we've taken 2 cups of water, it should boil and reduce to 1 cup. Cough is a reflex action to clear the airways from mucus or any other irritating substances. In general, cough can be of 2 types. One is the dry cough, that means it has no mucus or sputum, and that's why the name dry cough. And second one is the wet cough, that is which produces mucus or sputum. In most of the cases, cough clears up in 2 weeks and does not require heavy medication. But in some cases, cough can be a symptom and will require medical attention immediately. How to know whether cough is serious and requires immediate medical care? If you find your cough is accompanied with chest pain, there is breathing difficulty, blood-stained mucus, or if the mucus is yellow, green or reddish in color, and if you have fever of more than 101 degree Fahrenheit or higher, then immediately seek medical attention. We are almost done. Switch the flame off, cover the pan with a lid and let it cool down. Each time before consuming, it is best advised to make it warm and filter the contents for use. The decoction can be used for a full day, like if you prepare it in the morning, you can use it till night. This can be used for anyone right from 6 years and above with the symptoms of cough and cold. The dosage for adults is 1/4 cup of the decoction 4 times a day, and for children is 1/8 of a cup, that means 2 tablespoons of the decoction 4 times a day. In case of leftover, it is not advised to use it on the next day.